Today I'm going to be taking apart this Milwakee hackzall that I've had for several years. Okay, there it is. It's an M12 version. Great little tool. Use it in plumbing all the time. It gets into tight little spaces. It's great for cutting pipes quickly, notching wood and whatever to get in access into tight locations. This one here, I've had it about 4 to 5 years. It's worked really good, but it's starting to bugger up to the point where I can't even get it going. I recently purchased another one. Okay, same model and all, so it's identical copy there. This one is working fine. Obviously, it's brand new. Sounds really nice. The other one sounded like heck, and it started wearing out and everything. So what I'm going to do today is just take the old one apart and see if I can grease it a bit, clean it up, and get it going as a backup. All right, so let me bring the camera in a little closer, and we'll take this thing apart. I've had this one apart a few times. As soon as I get it apart, I'll show you what I've done. Oops. So here it is with the cover off. That's what it looks like inside. Nothing special. It's a little tiny motor here. These wires on the back, I had to resolder them several times. This shakes around a lot. So, but kind of worth it anyways. Oops, where are you? Okay, there we are. So basically this one, all the grease is kind of worn out of it and it's kind of stiffened up. So I'm just going to clean out the grease out of here. Okay, the old grease. And you can see the gear there. I don't know if it'll work right now. Oh, let's see. Okay. Oops. Something here is jammed up, so. Okay, so after spraying a little bit of WD-40 in there and working it back and forth, I finally got it loose. So I'm just going to dip it in some fluid to wash it with. Okay, there it is, all cleaned up. All the various pieces here, all except for that one. that one. Got this all freed up. I'm just going to pack it with grease. The hell fell now? I don't know if you can see it, but there's one thing I don't like is there's a little tiny hole here, and this thing bounces around in there. I think that's too good of a design for the stopper. It just keeps beating it to death. But it's lasted this long, so it's good enough. Much quieter. Oh well. Well, I want to take it apart and see if I could just fix it up, make it last for a little while longer. It's not going to be the main tool I use. But I just hate throwing these things out. It just seems that everything's disposable now. If I can just, keep it working for a little while longer, I'll be happy. It's not that these things cost a lot. It's just a waste to keep throwing stuff out. So that one's much better. I think the main problem is down in here, there's no seal to stop any kind of water or dust to get inside, and it all goes down inside and gums everything up in that mechanism. So I'm going to have to be a little bit more careful when I'm cutting water pipes with this, or anything dusty, that I kind of make sure I clean it a little bit better. And hopefully this one will last a little bit longer. I mean, this one again is about like 4 or 5 years old. Can't complain. They're not that expensive to buy. 100 Canadian, 100 something Canadian, probably like 50 bucks US. Anyways. There you go. Hopefully that helps somebody out if you have one of these and see how it comes apart. It's pretty easy. So that's it. Thanks. It's great for little tight spaces and everything. So, everything. Hello. Thought I'd bring you in on a repair I'm going to be doing on my old Milwakee. I don't know, what do you think? Selling on eBay? Yeah. Oh, oops. That's better.